You should replace your lawnmower's air filter approximately every 24 hours of running time. It's super simple, just takes a few minutes. Here's how to do it. It's just this little plastic housing, but it's always going to be something attached to the carburetor. And some of them have a screw at the top that you have to remove. This one's just a couple little tabs that we press down, and that'll show you the air filter element. So this filter hasn't been replaced in a while. You can see there's a lot of dirt and junk in between the pleats of the filter, and so we need to replace that. And also in the cover there's a foam filter element that catches some of the bigger stuff, and you can see this is all full of grass and everything from the air intake. So we'll get the big chunks off and then take it over to the sink and clean it out and let it dry. All right, so we've got the foam element clean. We'll stick that back in the cover. And we've got our new pleated filter, and that goes in the housing, just like so. And then we pop our cover back on. And that's it, that's the whole job. Now, some people would try to clean this old pleated filter, and sure, if you're in a pinch, you don't have a new one, and you're trying to get a job done, you could take an air compressor to this thing and clean out some of the dirt and get by for a little while, but it's always going to be best just to regularly replace these things.